Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Now I am going to discuss a problem of CSIR NET December 2019 question of partial differential equation. This question belongs to part C and for marks 4.75. This is the one of the easiest question that CSIR have asked in this year. And for this problem, there may be multiple answer. So first let us recall the Chapit's equation dx divided by fp is equal to dy by fq is equal to dz divided by pfp plus qfq is equal to dp divided by minus fx plus pfz is equal to dq divided by minus fy plus q fz. Here the partial differential equation is given by pq is equal to 1. Hence we may consider f is equal to pq minus 1. Now it is easy to check that if fx is equal to del f del x is equal to 0 and if y is equal to del f del y which is also 0 and if z is equal to del f del z this is also 0. Hence from this above Chapit's equation we can easily have dp divided by 0 and dq divided by 0. Integrating we have p is equal to some constant say a and q is equal to some another constant say b. Now since this solution satisfies the given partial differential equation, we have pq is equal to 1. This implies a into b is equal to 1. This implies b is equal to 1 by a. Hence p is equal to a and q is equal to 1 by a. Now let us, or if p is equal to 1 by a, then q becomes a. These two cases are possible. Now let us check the given condition. In the first condition we have s, the initial strip is given by s 1 by s 1 by s and s. This is for x0, this is for y0 and this is for z0 which is already given. Now this is for p0 and this is for q0. Now since p0 into q0 is equal to 1 by s into s, this is equal to 1, hence this option is correct. Option 1 is correct. Now come up to the second option. In the second option we have the initial strip is given by s 1 by s 1 and minus 1 by s, this is minus s. This is for x0, this is for x0, this is for y0 and this is for z0, this is for p0 and this is for q0. Since this p0 and q0, this product of these two is equal to minus 1 by s into s is equal to 1, hence option 2 is also correct. Now let us check the option 3 which is given by S, 1 by S, 1 comma 1 by S minus S. This is for x0, this is for y0, this is for z0, this is for p0, and this is for q0. Now since the product of these two, p0 and q0, is equal to s into 1 by s into minus s, this is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 1, hence option 3 is wrong. Now let us check only the last option, s 1 by s, 1, s 1 by s, 1 minus 1 by s, and s. This s for x0, which is already given, and this 1 by s for y0, and this is for z0, this is for p0, and this for q0. Now this product of these two terms, p0 into q0 into 1 by s to s, which is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to the 1, hence option 4 is wrong. Thus the correct options are 1 and 2. This one option is correct and the option 2 is correct. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for new updates.